with regular sweets? Let's add some magic. Increase your Twix, shrink Tic Tacs, and make the biggest Hubba Bubba? How? Watch it in our new video. My friend Redhead and I go to a magic forest to look for something mysterious and supernatural. If only we could find something that doesn't exist. For example, a unicorn, a firebird, an elf, a fairy, or to meet a real Johnny Depp. It is so beautiful in the forest. The sun is shining. Everything is green. Wow! What is that? What a giant flower! Redhead! Hello! Come here! Look at what I found! It's amazing! It smells like dreams coming true. This flower must be magical. Oops! We'll have to take it along. We haven't come to grips with the superpower of this flower yet, but our stomachs are starting to rumble already. It's great that I have a Twix. Or had Twix. It fell into the pink dream of a florist, and there's no sign of it. Well, I think I can see something. It didn't disappear, but decreased. That's the trick. Cut out short pieces of sweet cookie sticks. Pare off one side, making it flat, and add a few other ingredients. Dip the stick into caramel made from sweetened condensed milk. Then put it into melted chocolate. Smooth out the chocolate layer using a toothpick. Make a tube out of a square piece of golden foil. Attach a mini Twix label and put the little sticks into the mini package when hardened. The Twix cookie bars have turned into their mini replicas. They are so tiny that they won't fill anyone. What an impractical magic! Redhead suggests deceiving the magic. Maybe if you throw your Twix back into the flower, it will return to its normal size. Or even better, it may become a tree 10 times bigger than it used to be. Wow, it worked! Lay 2 cookie strips on parchment paper. One out of regular cookies and the other out of chocolate cookies. Cover them with a thick layer of condensed milk caramel. Add 2 more layers of the cookies and the caramel. Melt 5 ounces of white and 3 ounces of dark chocolate in one container. Mix it and pour it onto the cookie strip. Make it look like a ribbed top of a Twix bar. Remove the excess chocolate using a spatula. Do it before the chocolate hardens. Melt 7 ounces of dark chocolate and pour it onto the other strip. When hardened, wrap the huge chocolate cookie bars in golden foil. Use double-sided tape to close the package and snip the ends in a zigzag style. Attach a big Twix label. This kind of magic is my cup of tea. The giant Twix can't be disappointing. You can offer one chocolate bar to a whole company. The magic flower should work in the World Food Department. And what happens if we throw a Chupa Chups bubblegum into the flower? Let it increase! And then we will be able to blow the biggest bubble. The blue-eyed girl just happens to have one for a test. Let's give it a try. We throw one bubblegum into the flower. Nothing happens. Then we toss one more. Nothing again. Then we drop the whole package. But apparently the flower doesn't work magic anymore. The bubblegum didn't increase but disappeared. Where is it? Hey, at least give us our bubblegum back. Finally, we find out what's happened. After a long search, the bubblegum appears so small that it is almost impossible to find. Take a Chupa Chups bubblegum out of the package. Cut it into several parts. Cut out the wrapper and wrap each part of the gum in a small piece of the wrapper. Fold and glue a box out of thick paper. Attach a label and put the mini bubblegums into it. This baby gum is so cute! Well, let's try it! And the size doesn't influence the taste of our favorite Chupa Chups bubblegum. Thank you, Magic Flower! Selfie o'clock! Let's take a photo with our flower. It looks great from any angle. It's certainly magical. Oops! There's a squirrel over there. We want to take a picture of it while it's still there. But while we're chasing the squirrel, the magic flower comes up with something. It starts trembling. It obviously generates the magic. A few moments, and there is a huge hubba bubba on